All right, today's trick of the day. Yesterday, we learned about how sometimes there isn't going to be a model that has 100 as its whole, like a hundreds grid. Instead, there might be a fraction strip or fraction bar or different ways that a fraction is shown. So we learned how to do a ratio table to solve for the percentage value. All right, so if we remember from yesterday, this would have been blank because we didn't know it. So then we went from our whole to our percentage whole, and we knew that that was times 10. So then we did times 10 on the other side. 1 times 10 equals 10. So 10% would be the answer for this strip model. But there's an easier way to do that. And now that you understand kind of the way how to do the long way and you understand why you do it, I can teach you the trick. Here's the trick. Instead of setting it up like a ratio table, you can just set it up like equivalent fractions. What? That's an old word. Equivalent fractions just means that you'll write this amount of shaded blue, this part, over the whole, so all the pieces, 10. So you'll do 1 over 10, and we're trying to figure out what percentage that is. So we make it equal to something over 100. It's just like doing a ratio table, but it's a lot less effort. All right, so then when we see that that is how to set it up, it's just like doing an equivalent fraction. So to go from 10 to 100, what can I do? I know that 10 times 10 will give me 100. So then to find this answer, I do the same thing to the top. All right, 1 times 10, because that's what we did at the bottom. And what does that give me? It gives me 10. So we got the same answer as we did when we used our ratio table. In both scenarios, if this is our model, the answer is going to be 10%. How about we go and let you do an example? Go ahead and set this up how you would. Pause the video and then press start again when you've set it up correctly. One over 4, because 1 is our part and 4 is our whole, equal to something over 100. You just have to go from 4 to 100, and that's times 25. So then you do 1 times 25, and that gives you 25. So the answer for this part is 25%. 25% of the graph or of the fraction bar is shaded in. 25% is shaded in. I hope you liked this trick of the day, and there will be more to come as we keep learning about percents and how to represent them in fractions.